Same principle. And you can take support if you want to.
Did you shoot?
Not that quiet. Good.
Yep,
Shoot
guys,
it.
ready to go again. Immediately.
Yeah, right here.
No, and you should move like that. Look. Look at that.
Okay, I'll put the safety on. Let's do this. Like that. Hold it tight, and then that hand like this. That finger over there. Okay. Now you're ready to go. Just hold it. Yep.
Wow, so low.
Okay, it's ready to shoot again.
It's ready to go, buddy.
Yeah, it will fire again.
Fire again, so be careful.
Once you pull the trigger, so.
Oh, one more.
There were fires.
With a big grip,
Yeah.
so you don't really
Or
feel
it's on
it
this
much.
big. You don't feel as much.
You can go ahead, feel it.
It's ready to go.
Glasses, ears, and fire!
Set the gun down,
Okay.
Matthew.
Good.
One more.
One more. Okay, cool.
Set the gun down. He's taking guns like Duck takes the water. He's like a professional. Pull it back, baby. Hammer back.
Like the professional. I'm pretty.
What are you having fun?
Okay, tired?
No, I'm fine.
I mean, the hammer.
Whoa!
It worked out.
Good.
Oh, my ear.